Hello students, now I am going to teach you lesson number 4, birds. You must have seen many birds chirping around you and flying up in the sky. Do you know what makes a bird different from other animals? It is the feathers. All birds have feathers. Characteristics features of birds are: all birds have wings, but not all birds fly. Birds have beaks or bills and do not have teeth. Birds have 2 legs and claws. Some birds make their own nest while others live in others' nests. How birds fly. Here are some special body features which help birds in flying. Light body. A bird's body is very light in weight because of its bones are hollow. Boat-shaped body. The body of a bird is boat-shaped. That means streamlined, which helps in fly through the air easily. Feathers. The wings have feathers attached to them which help birds fly high in the sky. Tail. The tail of a bird helps it to change its direction while flying. Movement of wings. Birds flutter their wings when they want to fly. They flutter their wings in 2 directions, downstrokes and upstrokes. Downstrokes when the wings move downwards and backwards, and upstrokes means when the wings move upwards and forwards. Feathers. A bird's body is covered with feathers. The feathers are of 3 types: down feathers, flight feathers, and body feathers. Down feathers. These are small and fluffy. They cover the entire body of a bird and keep it warm. Flight feathers. These are found in the wings and the tail. They help the birds to fly. Body feathers. They cover the entire body of a bird and give it a shape. Flights of birds. Some birds fly long distances, like crow and pigeon. Some birds fly at low heights, like peacock, sparrow, and hen. Some birds fly very high, like vulture and falcon. Some birds do not fly at all, like ostrich and emu. Beaks. The most important function of a bird bill is feeding, and it is shaped according to what a bird eats. Eagles and vultures and owls have hard and sharp beaks to tear the flesh of other animals. Sparrows, pigeons, and peacocks have short, hard, and strong beaks to crush grains and seeds. Parrot has a curved beak to crack nuts and hard fruits. Woodpecker has strong and heavy beak to tap barks of trees and take out insects from inside to eat. Swallows are insect eaters. They scoop insects out of the air as they fly by. They have short, straight beaks. A hoopoe has a long, slender, and curved beak to pull out insects from the holes in the ground. A duck has a broad and flat beak. It has tiny holes on the sides. The duck takes in muddy water along with insects, worms, and water plants. The mud and water flows out through the tiny holes, leaving behind insects and worms. Herons are mainly fish eaters. Their beaks are usually long and straight that help to catch fish. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.